Plant hormones are also called phytohormones. So, what is the function? Plant hormones promote the fruiting, flowering, cell elongation, cell division. That play important. That is function of plant hormones. They are divided into the two class, that is called plant growth regulators and plant growth inhibitors. Regulators mean that promote the flowering and fruiting and elongation of the plant, and inhibitors that inhibit the plant growth and flowering of the plants. That is two class. So plant growth regulators containing auxin, cytokinin and gibberellin hormones. We discuss one by one. What is the function of auxin? First, you know that where the auxin is synthesized. Auxin is synthesized in the tip of or apexes of root and shoot tips. That parts auxin are mainly present. So, what is the function of this hormone auxin? Auxin also play important role in the tropic movement. Like tropic movement, we discuss like phototropic. So, what happened in the phototropic? So, the upper part, stem part of the plant are bent toward the light due to the unequal concentration of the auxin. That is most important, the phototropic movement shown by the auxin. Other function is auxin that is help in the formation of root formation. When you cut the lower parts of the stems, that initiate the formation of the roots. That's why auxin is also used in the plant propagation. What is the mean of plant propagation? So mean of plant propagation, also called vegetative propagation. Development of the new plant by taking a vegetative parts like stem, roots and leaves that form large number of similar plants. That is called plant propagation. So that is main function. Other function of the auxin, that it promote bud dormancy, apical bud dormancy. What is mean of apical bud dormancy? When in the apical part is present in the plant, that inhibit the growth of lateral buds. When you cut decapacitation of the apical buds, the lateral growth of plant take place. What their uses? That make the plants more condensed, more branches are appear. That is called apical dominance. So due to the presence of auxin in the apical sites, that prevent the growth of lateral buds. When you cut down or decapacitate the apical buds, the lateral growth of the bud take place. That is called apical bud dominance. What do you mean? Dominance. Very important. Auxin also inhibit the senescence and the abscission of the leaf. What is the mean of senescence? The mean of senescence, that is aging of the leaves and flowers. If it inhibits the leaf aging, that means leaves are more longer time present in the plant. That is a function of auxin. Very important. Next we move to the cytokinin. Cyto means is cell and kinin means division. So cytokinin hormone are mainly present in the dividing cells. So that is play important role in the cell division. What is the function of cytokinin? That play important role in the cell division. It's also promote the growth and development of formation of shoot formation, cytokinin, and root formation, that is auxin. Very important. Cytokinin also delay the senescence and aging of the leaves, making leaves more green due to the formation of chlorophyll. So it's also inhibit the senescence and aging of the leaf and play important role in the cell division. Very important. It's also promote the fruit and flower formation. Next, gibberellins. So what is the function of gibberellin? Gibberellin play an important role in the stem elongation. Those plants are genetically dwarf. When they are treated with the gibberellic acid, the gibberellins that help elongation of the stem, like in the sugarcane. Very important. Gibberellin also initiate the seed germination of the seed by breaking the seed dormancy. So stem elongation, seed germination. It's also inhibit the senescence and the aging of the leaf and promote the flowering and fruiting of the plants. Very important. Next we come to the plant growth inhibitors. In the plant growth inhibitor, they are placed two hormones, abscisic acid and ethylene. Abscisic acid is called stress hormone. These hormone are secreted during the time of stress condition in the plant. So when plant having less amount of water, it helps to closure of stomata. It close the stomata. Abscisic acid ABA also promote the senescence and aging of the leaf by formation of abscisic layer. So it form abscisic layer that it helps to shedding and falling of the leaves and fruit from the stem parts of the plant. So that is function of abscisic acids. Next, that is ethylene. Ethylene is a gaseous hormone. This type of hormone very important. It play role in the fruit ripening of the fruits, and ethylene inhibit the stem elongation. That because they are plant growth inhibitors, so ethylene inhibit the elongation of the stem in the plant. So that is function of all the plant hormones. Next we move to the animal hormone. So animal hormone, what is the meaning of hormones? Hormone are chemical substance, chemical messengers which are secreted from the endocrine glands. Which type of glands? Endocrine. There are three type of gland: exo, endo and mix. So in the exo, that is secreted saliva, juices, enzymes, and endocrine gland, they are secreted hormone. When these endocrine secrete the hormones, these hormones reach to the blood. Where they are reach? To the blood. Via blood they reach to the target organ. So in the target organ, these hormones show their effect. So hormones play important role in the growth and development of the animals and human beings. Their effect or deficiency cause many diseases and affect also the growth of the body. So that is a function of hormone. So there is a different types of endocrine gland which secreted different types of hormone. Like endocrine gland, we started with the pituitary. This endocrine gland present in the brain. Where it present? In the brain. That pituitary gland having two parts, that is anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary. They are secreted different types of hormone, but we discuss some hormones which are in the course in class 10th. So pituitary hormone secreted growth hormone, GH. What is function? Like their name is shown, growth. It help in the growth of the body, growth and development of the body by elongation of the bones. That function of the growth hormone. If there is a deficiency of the growth hormone, that cause dwarfism. And their more secretion or increase the concentration of growth hormone, that cause gigantism. So that body make more height, that is called gigantism. So that is function of growth hormone. Next that we discuss, next endocrine gland, that is thyroid. What is the function? Where is located? Thyroid gland is located in both sides of trachea, that is portion to the larynx. What is trachea? Trachea is called windpipe. So that butterfly shape structure, that is located in both sides of trachea. So what is the function of this thyroid gland? This thyroid gland secrete hormone thyroxine. Which hormone? Thyroxine. Thyroxine hormone secretion are depend on the iodine, presence of iodine. So if in the diet in the pregnant woman iodine is lack, then thyroxine hormone secretion is less. Less means that two words, hypo and hyper. Hypo means more secretion, less secretion, and hyper means more secretion. In both condition, hypo and hyper, both condition deficiencies take place. So iodine is very essential for the regulation of the thyroid gland and increase the secretion of the thyroxine hormone. What is the function of this thyroxine hormone? It play an important role in the physical and mental development of the child. So physiological effect of that thyroid hormone, if there is iodine deficiency in the your diet, that cause cretinism. Cretinism that occurs in the child which are mentally retarded. Their mental development is not take place. That is the function of thyroxine hormone. It also increase the BMR, basal metabolic rates. That means that metabolic activity in the cells are increases. That means carbohydrate, fat and protein metabolism increase and more energy are produced for the cells. That the function of the thyroxine hormones. Very important. The deficiency of the thyroxine hormone. If the deficiency in hypo condition and hyper condition both cause goiter. Goiter is a condition where swelling in the trachea region or neck region due to the deficiency of the iodine. Very important. That is pituitary and thyroid. Next we move next gland. That is adrenal gland. Adrenal gland where is located? In the kidney. Upper side of the both kidney, the adrenal gland is located. So what is the function of adrenal gland? The adrenal gland secrete the hormone that is called adrenaline. This hormone also called 3F hormone or emergency hormone, because in the emergency condition this secretion are increased, like fight, flight and fear. 3F means fight, flight and fear. In these conditions this adrenaline in the blood increases. So what happened when adrenaline reach to the target organ, like in target organ in heart, when during the time of vigorous exercise or during the time of running, the adrenaline secretion in the heart in the blood increases, that cause increase in the heartbeat. What is called? Increase in the heartbeat. So it increase heartbeat. Also increase the respiratory rate, respiration, breathing, and also increase blood pressure. So when adrenaline secretion increases that increase the heartbeat. Why heartbeat is increases? Because heart pumping is increased through the fast flow of the blood to the cells for the more amount of oxygen are reached to the blood. That's why breathing rate is also increased. So that is the function of adrenaline hormone. Very important. Increases the heartbeat, respiration. Next we move pancreas. What is the function of pancreas? We discussed in the digestion. Pancreas also secreted some enzymes, that is called trypsin and lipase. That is exocrine part of the pancreas, and endocrine part of the pancreas secreted hormones. These hormones like insulin and glucagon. Their endocrine part containing the cells like beta cells and alpha cells. Beta cells of pancreas secreted insulin. What is the function of insulin? These two hormones having antagonistic function, like both having each other having opposite function to each other, for maintaining the blood glucose level, to maintain the glucose level in the blood. So what insulin do? Insulin decrease the blood glucose level by conversion of glucose to glycogen. By conversion of glucose to glycogen, and glycogen used as the energy resources for the cells. When blood glucose level is lowering down, the glucagon increase the blood glucose level by conversion of glycogen to glucose. So that is a function of insulin and glucagon. Both are antagonistic. Insulin decrease the blood glucose level and glucagon increase the blood glucose level. So both function are antagonistic. Next, that is adrenal gland, testes and ovary. What is testes and ovary? They are also primary reproductive organs. Testes in the male and ovary in the female. These are also endocrine glands. So testes secreted hormone that is called testosterone. Which hormone? Testosterone. That is called male sex hormone. Male sex hormone. Why? Because it play important role in the development of male sexual characters and development of male sex organs. That's why it's called male sex hormone, and also play role in formation of sperm. So that is function of testes. Next, ovary. Ovary secreted estrogen. What is secrete? Estrogen. That is female sex hormone. That is secreted from the ovary. The function is similar. That is play a role in development secondary sexual character in female. That develop secondary sexual character in male, and also development of accessory sexual organs and accessory ducts in the females. That is function of estrogen and testosterone. Very important. So these hormones and their function are very important. Pituitary, growth hormone, development of growth and elongation of lung bone. Thyroid, thyroxine hormone secretion located in the both side of trachea. What is the function? BMR increases energy production, carbohydrate, protein, fat metabolism increases, and their deficiency is called goiter. Very important. Next, pancreas, that is alpha and beta cells. Beta cell secrete insulin, it decrease the blood glucose level, and alpha cell increase the blood glucose level. If the deficiency in the insulin in the blood, that cause disease, that is called diabetes. Very important. In the case of diabetes, blood glucose level is raised up. So that is function, and glucagon, it increase the blood glucose level. Very important. Then next is adrenal gland located in the both side of kidney. Secreted adrenaline hormone in emergency condition like fight, flight, fear. The adrenaline in the blood act on the heart, increases the heartbeat, breathing rate, and increases the blood pressure. That is, and another, the testes and ovary. Revise all the things and make a proper notes.